Right, it started pouring rain outside, so I figured I'd do an unboxing of a mower that I can't use till the rain lets up, but I just got this Ryobi mower here. It's got two batteries and it's a cross cut, so it's got two blades on it. I don't think it really says that on the front here, but you can see it right there on the box. It's comes with two batteries and a charger and the mower, and supposedly it'll mow up to an hour with cross cutting. So we're going to be doing a lot of mulching here. We have a lot of leaves because we have trees, so we figured we'd get something with the cross cut blades. We paid under $600 on sale, and we heard Ryobi's pretty good with this. There's a lot of brands out there now, so there we go. First thing you see in the box is it's pre-assembled. So this is the bag. There's the bag attachment. That'll go in there. I don't know how to hook it up yet, so I'm just going to set that to the side. This looks like maybe it's a piece that you put on to force the grass to go out the side chute. This could force it up into the bag, so I'll just set that in there for now. And we have another piece here in the bag. This is probably the chute that sits on the side of the mower, allows the grass to shoot out. I doubt I'm going to use the bagging very much because we have a pretty large yard. We have 1.5 acres. A lot of it's just useless grass, and we just kind of want to get that mowed down, but we want to mulch it so we don't have to rake it, bag it, or dispose it. This is probably the holder for the bag. I'll have to figure out how that goes by reading the manual. All right, let's get the holder. There it is. First look. Oh, that's heavy. Put that down. See. So there it is out of the box. And I have no idea how to get this guy to raise up at this point. That's going to be your height adjustment probably for your wheels. There's your highest mowing position, getting your blades the farthest away from the ground, and that would be your closest mowing. It's got, let's see here, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 settings it looks like. Here's your side flap. There are 2 holes on this, here and here. There are 2 clips. When you lift this up, you can see this here and there. So I think these slots basically slide underneath those clips until it grabs it. So now you got your side chute blowing out there. You would keep this closed for bagging and mulching. Now, there it is. So this, I don't know if you can see, but there's a clip here and a clip there. So when you go down, it locks in. See that? So now you should be able to stand it up in your shed or your garage so it's out of the way. And also, just so you can see, here's your twin blades. But you can see there's 2 blades in here. This one's got a curve to it on both sides. Here and here, and then the other one's flat. So that's a good mulching system right there. You can see it forces it out that way or this way. Here's your side flap that allows you to blow the grass out like you would normally, and then this area here would send it out to where the bag would be. This is your battery compartment. Trick. Oh yeah, opposite way. This is your battery selector plug. As you can see, there's a little arrow that points to which battery it's going to be going to. And there's 3 slots down in there, and there's only 2 things, 2 insert tabs. So if I turned it around, now the arrow is pointing the other way. This battery is in connection. If you turn it this way, then these 2 are going to connect, and your battery on that side is going to be in power. When I do a video regarding the actual use of it out in the yard, I will talk about these issues that I don't know about right now. So So check out the second video, which I haven't started on yet, for that. So here's the battery box right there. There's your charger. Just a regular plug-in, nice long cable, really lightweight by itself. The batteries are what weigh, and these aren't that heavy actually. There's two of them here. As you can see, they're the UN 3480. So there it is. There's your 40-volt lithium battery. This is where it goes on the charger. There's your connection points there and underneath here. This is the charger. It has the same light indicates different stuff by color. Red means that you got power to the unit. Orange means that it's testing the battery. Red and green flashing means there's something wrong with the battery. Green flashing means it's charging, and green solid means it's full. On the battery itself, you've got a little indicator that shows you how charged the battery is. You can see it's full right now. Here's the removable clip. This is what you would do to take it off the charger, take it out of the mower itself, and to put it on, you just set it down on top of there. And then I'm going to use my leg here. You slide it in, and you can see that it's green, which means the battery is full, and it is. There you go. So these are 6 amp hours. That one's upside down, but 6 amp hour 40-volt lithium batteries. So let's see about putting this one in here. Now to put your batteries in, you just make sure the release tab is up, and you just put it on the side that it has the teeth. Push it into place. Once again, you want the release tab facing up. You want the connection point towards the connectors on this side, and batteries are in place. Both batteries are fully charged. You can tell by the buttons. It'd be nice if there was a light, like there is a light on the front here, but it would be nice if something lit up once the battery was in there and on. I don't see anything. Oh. So it's a self-powered, by the way, so you can see it's going on its own now. Now I don't know if the blades in there are spinning, and I'm not gonna look to see. So there's your hand. Oh, you can lower the handle too. There's 2 positions for the handle. Use this release, and you can go up to a higher position. If you're a little bit shorter, you can go to a lower position. There's only 2 though. It'd be nice if there was a 3rd one, but that's what it is. Without it propelling itself as well. So there, the light turned on. I don't know if you saw that when I hit these handles. Okay, so there's handles here that you do, but in order to make it work, you have another handle. You've got this handle. That's your. In order to get it to go, you have to do this. That's the safety. So if you trip and you let that go, everything stops. Like I know that for a fact that the blades will stop spinning and it'll stop moving for safety. And one last thing, here's your bag attachment area. I'm not sure if you can see that. That's probably where that other piece goes. So this is a mulch plug, and what it turns out is this is the handle to insert it, and then when it's in there, the roundness goes with the underneath to help seal up the compartment into a tight fit. And to get it in here, you just lift the back up, and you can see that's where the grass would come out to go into the bag. Well, you just slide that in there. It's a little tough to get in here, but you just shove it in, push it down so it kind of hooks on the outside there. Make sure it's in there tight with the handle. And then you can see underneath here that it is tight, sealed up in there. And once it's sealed, now you're in mulching mode and everything stays underneath there. And there's this little safety flap so things don't fly back out and hit you in the feet or the ankles. But yeah, that's it. Hopefully this helped you guys out. As you can see, that light turned off. If you watch on the box, I hit that and there's the light back on. So that's kind of a cool function. There's no LED that indicates the battery's in there and in good condition. So that's kind of a bummer. There should be something maybe right here that lets you know, just a little LED, a little green LED that says battery's in good shape. Maybe even a battery, there should be maybe a battery bar here showing you full. And then when you get down to the low position, it'll say warning, get back and start charging your batteries again. That would be nice. So I'm not seeing that at this time, but there might be something inside here that I don't know about. I don't see anything. So hopefully that helped you guys understand this fully electric mower. Once again, if you like our videos, please like, share, subscribe, and help our channel grow. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.